Hi guys, our last lesson this week is on EduTyping. We're going to do the left and right parentheses and the underscore. So we'll recap how to do those. Parentheses are going to be over here striking with your right hand. So both of those will be a left pinky hold shift. And then the left parentheses is above the 9 or your right your right ring finger. And then the closing parentheses is with the 0, and that'll be struck with your pinky. And finally, the underscore is going to be shift and then striking that key to the right of the 0. That's going to be your underscore. So hyphen and then underscore is the shift one that's on top. So those are your 3 keys that you're going to be doing today. And then again, same review lesson and identify parts of the letter quiz that's in Google Classroom.